Hey YouTube, I just got my new butterfly knife in the mail today. This will be an unboxing. I ordered a Jaguar. It's not a classic, but it's still a Jaguar, and I heard recommendations for this, so here's the unboxing. The package, just got it today. Let's see what we have here. Got the warranty and all that stuff. Here's the box. And yeah, it's empty, so just throw that away. Alright, see what's in the box. Alright, that's cool. I was worried if it was going to come in black, because I don't really like black. It's really heavy compared to my other one. Matches. That's nice. It's pretty much the same thing as a classic, just a different blade. And it says Jaguar right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it actually has the Jaguar emblem on it. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to get used to flipping this. It's pretty heavy compared to my other one. My other broken one. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.